Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can install the Solar Smash on your PC from your app, from your mobile. So what you want to do first is click on the link down below in the description, and when you're going to do it, you will get right here to Ldplayer. Ldplayer is an amazing tool and that you can use for actually playing the games. So click here, download the Ldplayer, and you're going to have plenty of games that you can actually play here and that you can install. So when you're gonna install it, Pen versus Zombie, whatever, you're gonna go on, you will have a link down below in the description and also how you can install it. And then you're gonna end up right here. You want to go to Home, System App, and you want to log in with your Play Store. Then when you're gonna log in, you're gonna be in Install here. And right now I'm going to install the game. And let's just wait here until it's going to get installed. So when you're gonna have it installed, click play. And then let's say Planet Smash. Oh, what we got here, right? So let's say we're gonna have in here and this is how you can easily play it. I don't know how everyone can live here. Oh, look at them. So we're gonna send to the US some. Oh my God. So you can easily see how you can play this game. And yeah, I completely destroyed Earth. So yeah, this is how you can use the Solar Smash and how you can play it on your PC. So have a great day and goodbye.